I'm here with my Dodge Ram 2008. It's the third generation, and it's very common. It happened to me twice already. For the back door to stop working, so either it doesn't lock anymore or the window stopped moving, and I'm gonna show you why and how to fix it really quick. So this is the problem right here. When you open the door, I'm showing you on the front one, this is like this, right? And inside this rubber, they made these wires so short it doesn't move, so they don't have a room to wiggle. And basically this is what happens. See here, it's broken, and I already fixed. If you look at those, they're all fixed. So let's remove this panel here. It's actually very simple. There is one screw in here. I'm gonna lift the door handle, take it out. Two on the bottom, one here and one here, and there's one more here. I'm gonna show you in a sec. So this one here is right there. I don't know if you can see on the handle, and it's a T27, so wobbly extension, T27. There's one more thing. Usually you would get a tool like this, push to one side, lift to the other side, and then it comes off. And then we're gonna unplug this, and it's free to go. With all that out, I'm gonna try to do it with one hand. You pull it up, look at that, and it came out. The wiring is very tight, and the reason why I did this here is because I can, from the bottom, take this here, there's a little sticky thing, and I can reach the wires from here, and see, I can do what I need to do. So I'm gonna see if I can bring a little more wire in there, so when the door opens and closes, I don't want this to break. There's 3, 4 so far broken. Yeah, 5, they're all breaking, so not very good. We need to get something more malleable than this, that it have the same thickness as this, and we're gonna make it longer a little bit. So here we are again. This is all done. This time it's a little longer than normal. So what I'll do now, they usually break here, so I extended all of them, and I am going to get this tape here, which is nothing crazy. I'm just going to put them all very tight together so they don't keep bending and rubbing. And let's see if one unit, it fixes my problem and doesn't happen again. See, this way we're not gonna have one wire cracking. I could be wrong. Put a comment on the description what you think, but you know, if you bend this a little bit, all of them bend together. If you leave them all loose in here, one of them might get caught into this thing and might run into the issue that we were having before. So reconnect the battery. I'm gonna put there very quickly, and we're gonna run there to see if there's a smoke or something. Nope. So far so good. Yeah, look. So this here wasn't working. It's a big problem. It's not the first time that happened to me. I actually have a video fixing this, but this is the actual way I'm doing now to prevent this bending. This jacket here is all the way in. This is actually going to protect all of this from getting water in. You connect this guy, hear the click, there you go. So that's pretty much it here. Look, this is why it breaks, and now I have more room inside, so I have my hand in here, just so you know, and I'm trying to pull and push, but at least now when you close the door, this is going to move with it. And now we're going to proceed with the reverse order. Don't forget, here is the only thing you need to align and be sure that it is in place. And you gotta have the hooks in the holes. So lift it up, put the hooks in the hole, and then push down. Finally, last piece, put in there, and slide that way. Bam! And there you go. Window working, and everything is good. So yeah, pain in the butt. Hope this helps. Later.